For some reason, breakfast seems to be the toughest meal for many people.
I know, but our family foodie is here with a restaurant quality recipe that you can easily make at home. How are you, Isabel?
I'm great.
Hi.
Thanks for having me. Hello.
So what is this term that we're doing a different take on? Sous vide?
Sous vide.
What is sous vide?
So sous vide is when you do, it's almost like in a bath and it makes everything really moist. So that's how Starbucks does their Starbucks bites that are super popular. So this is a spin-off on that because, as we know, it gets expensive to stop at Starbucks every day.
It does.
Yeah.
And you could do probably 18 of these mini
they're
bites
marking up those egg bites
for like the
whoa.
entire thing. So they're crazy popular. They're good for you. They're filled with protein. So if you're doing keto diet, if you're doing low carb, these are, fantastic, gluten-free. So today I'm going to show you how to do them really quick.
And you know what I like? You can make these over the weekend and you just pop them in the microwave and then run out the door.
Absolutely. You could freeze these or you could make a big batch. I just put them in a big Tupperware, right?
Yep.
And then they're so easy. And another fun thing is you could take them to work. Kids could take them to school with some apples. So just put them in a cute little container and off they go.
Oh, yeah, these are good.
Okay. All right. Who's helping me today?
Both of us.
Okay.
We'll switch off.
Okay, 4 eggs, and I already stirred them and cracked
right.
them for you. Then a 1/3 cup of heavy cream. So like I said, this is going to be
makes it
perfect for
fluffy.
keto diets.
Yeah.
Yes.
They're all about that heavy whipping cream.
Oh, yeah.
It's hard to find at the store now.
That's so true.
This is a good thick whisk, Isabel.
Isn't it?
I like your whisk.
Okay, then cottage cheese, again, a lot of protein and really healthy, good for you.
I've never heard of putting cottage cheese in eggs.
Yes. Oh, wait till you see how good it is.
You always have some weird secret ingredient that you're hiding in your
Okay,
stuff.
now, I never know how to say this cheese, so gruyere.
Gruyere?
Yeah, gruyere.
Gruyere?
So half a cup of that, and that has a really strong flavor that really comes out in these little muffins. And then Monterey Jack, a 1/3 cup.
I feel like I just growled at the egg mixture. I'm sorry. I just know this is going to be good.
Now you could use any hot sauce, but this is actually a local company. Garlic Goodness, it's my favorite hot sauce. Yeah, by Intensity Academy, and it's here locally. So just,
in the eggs?
yes.
We're gonna put a lot of
Does that make it spicy or just more flavor?
So if you only want a little bit of flavor, then you just put a little bit. If you want some spice,
I want
put
it
it in there. Yes, yes.
Oh, I like
okay,
that.
and then what we're gonna do is lightly spray our little pan. And then just put in like a 1/3 slice of bacon in each one. And
Already cooked?
Already cooked. So I pre-cooked this, and it's important to keep it like flexible. So don't do it like
do
super,
the extra
not
crispy
for
like
this,
my
'cause they're-
Mimi likes. Okay.
They're going to, continue
even more.
to bake.
Yeah.
And here's the thing: you could really have fun with this recipe. So if you want to put in spinach, I mean,
love it.
Starbucks doesn't do it, but there's nothing.
You just put it at the bottom?
Yeah,
How do
you could
do
put
it?
in right at the bottom a couple. You could put in asparagus. I mean, really, the.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Now let's
Yeah,
not get
you could
too
do-
crazy, Isabel.
I like it.
Okay.
Is this what you're using
Yeah,
to?
so use a mini ladle, and then you're just going to, drop it in. Yeah.
Sorry.
You know what? If you're not
You're
making a mess
good, you're
in the
good. But
kitchen,
how easy is
not
this?
good.
Look at you guys. I love watching the two of you in action.
you always
I mean,
put
like
this to
I
work.
said,
I do.
not-
I come in, I start bossing you guys around.
Not pretty. How long do you think
does.
these would last in the fridge? Because I always like to
So they will
take a
last
risk with that.
probably 5 days, but you could also freeze them.
Freeze them.
So
You should
pop
freeze
them
them.
out,
Just freeze
and
it.
freeze them and take them. So I make a double batch almost every time, and like my kids will eat them. We use
Yeah.
them as snacks, breakfast, whatever you like.
All right, 350.
350 for 20 minutes.
All right, you
try
can
these?
get. Yeah,
Yeah,
go ahead.
go
and eat
for
those.
it.
You can get this recipe and many more from Isabel at SundaySupperMovement.com. Is it good?
Very good. Here, you can try this one.
Thank you.
All right, coming up,